Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Temu coupon bundle. So let's get into the video. So go to Temu and log into your account. So once I've logged into your account, so firstly if you want to looking for your coupons, so you can get it from when you open up your account, login. So here when you hover on your account here, so hover over on your account, you'll see an option called coupons and offers. Simply click on coupons and offers. So once you click on it, and here you will see all the coupons that's available to you. So you can see the unused ones here, used ones here, and since I don't have any coupons, there's nothing showing up. But if you see anything expired, you can also see any expired coupons here. So whatever the coupon is that you wish to use, so just copy the coupon code from here. So whatever the code that is, if you see a coupon, they will have a code. Just copy that code. Once you've copied that code, then you can just add any item, do your usual browsing and add any item to your cart. And then when you get to this checkout page here, so when you click on checkout, okay, so when you click on checkout, and here when you get to the checkout page here, so on your right side here, you will see enter coupon code. Simply paste the coupon code that you want to use and hit on apply to use it. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.